It's the snoring beast. It's Lacey Richards. Ah, Jason, I know you're missing him. My snoring beast, have you got up?